In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment processor on Shopify. First, sign into your Shopify admin so you're on your store's dashboard. From there, look to the lower left corner and open Settings. Inside Settings, find and select Payments. This is where you control how customers pay at checkout and where different providers appear based on your business location and eligibility. On the Payments page, choose the option to add a provider. You'll see a section for third-party payment providers. Select Choose a provider to open the full directory. Here you can browse a list of available options or click into any provider card to view more details about what they support, their geographic coverage, and any special requirements. If you're just exploring, it's completely fine to open a provider to preview, then return to the list to keep comparing. To narrow things down, look for the filter that says Supports 3DS. Toggle this if you want providers that support 3D Secure, which adds an extra verification step at checkout and can help reduce fraud. It's a helpful way to prioritize security-minded options, especially if your customers are in regions where 3DS is commonly required by banks. Next, use the Payment Methods filters to match the cards and wallets you plan to accept. You can check options such as American Express, Apple Pay, Benefit, Diners Club, Discover, ELO, Hyper, HyperCard, JCB, Mada, Maestro, MasterCard, Oman Net, Visa, and Visa Electron. As you select each one, your results update to show providers that support exactly those methods. Feel free to click into a provider's page at any time to confirm details, then come back to the list if you want to keep refining. If your filters get too specific or you want to start fresh, use the Clear option at the top of the filter panel. That resets everything so you can try a different combination, compare more broadly, or remove a restriction like 3DS to see additional providers. A few quick tips as you evaluate the choices. Make sure the provider supports your operating country and your customer markets. Review fees and payout schedules to understand your costs and cash flow. And check supported currencies to avoid conversion surprises at checkout. If you already use a gateway elsewhere, confirm whether that same provider is available on Shopify so you can keep things consistent. Once you've identified the best fit from the list and confirmed it supports your required payment methods, you're ready to proceed with that selection and continue with the on-screen prompts in Shopify to complete the connection. And that's